happy Monday. It's More Smarter Monday. Ow. Hi, Kevin. I got a funny comment on the YouTube page. Somebody saying that I was dumb. It's not more smarter. It's just smarter. And I'm like, oh, God, somebody obviously does not understand how funny I am.
Good news is people are watching.
The good news is people are watching. The good news is that you just said a full sentence. Hi. This cough won't go away, and I'm mad at it.
Get angry.
I'm angry. The boys all say hi. Chris and Nick.
Hey.
You guys can turn around and say hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Do you see what I have to deal with all day? Kyle's back in town. Oh, he's on the phone. He says this to you. It's a good Monday. It's More Smarter Monday, and I'm going to tell you what the word is of the day. Okay? It's captious. CAPTIOUS. It means objecting to something or being critical of something. Very similar to how Kevin reacts to me on a daily basis. Captious. Captious. Here, I'll... Did you just seriously say you want to decapacitate me?
The word captious means objecting to something or being critical of something. The captious father, instead of congratulating his son for getting excellent marks, asked why they weren't all 100%. Encouraging children to do well and appreciating their efforts actually has a positive impact. Captious remarks bring nothing but bad feelings.
Okay, that's enough. Wow, she just went on, didn't she? It's like, I didn't ask you for your opinion, captious. But that's me being captious. That's the word.
That wide open.
It makes you more smarter if you use it.
Yep.
It's an adjective, by the way.
I hate how the ISO is the gain on that.
Hi, Tommy.
Hi.
Tommy is sucking it.
Okay,
Tommy is sort of the technical genius here at Yahoo. He is he doesn't want to be on camera. Do you? Nope. Don't want to be on camera anymore? Oh, he's out.
No.
So that's your word of the day, captious. Use it. Be more smarter. How was your weekend, everybody? I hope it was great. I did a lot of sleeping and relaxing. I needed to recharge. Yeah. Hey, I'm going to post, remember when I was on Wendy Williams a couple weeks ago? I'm going to post that link on my Facebook page. Actually, I'm going to post the link from my Facebook page to my YouTube page. And I'm sure a lot of you are wondering why I'm now posting all my videos up to YouTube and not just putting them straight to Facebook. Well, I have to get my YouTube numbers up because then YouTube will want to possibly, hopefully, maybe go into some sort of partnership with me and give me sort of my own channel with my own show. It would be really nice. So I'm sorry if it's inconvenient. I apologize, but it's really the only way for me to build up my numbers and stuff because Facebook just isn't on the same sort of plane as YouTube is right now. So I wish it was because I love doing it on Facebook. Okay, that's really it. I wish I had really something exciting to tell you. No, I don't have anything exciting. Oh, I dyed my hair. That's exciting. I decided that the dark, I love your opinion. Let's do this. Is this too much? Too much highlight? Too much? Too much? Tell me. Because I was dark before and I decided to go back to being lighter again because I felt like it was the end of summer and I wanted to have some highlights. So what do you think? Dark or light? Darker? Lighter? Near? Far? Yep, that's what I just did. Hope you guys have a great rest of the week. Tomorrow is Tell Me Tuesday, so think of something awesome to tell me. Think of something awesome. A joke, a funny story, most embarrassing moment. I'll let you know, but start pondering. All right. Happy More Smarter Monday, and have an awesome week. Bye.